enhance the linkage between regional coordination mechanisms and the implementation of the food system's national pathways, developed as a critical outcome of the Food System Summit. Prioritize the strengthening of capacity for data management, analysis, and sharing at national and regional levels. Increase and sustain political engagement and goodwill to ensure that IGAD receives political support during the definition of the roadmap and its implementation.
Over the last 3 years, the following 5 consecutive failed rain seasons, the entire Horn of Africa are now weathering a catastrophic drought, which is the worst in recent history. IGAD region accounts for 22% of the 205 million people globally that are acutely food insecure. In addition, 10 million children under 5 years are suffering from acute malnutrition. The IGAD region has recorded the highest numbers of acutely food insecure populations, where 7 out of 8 IGAD countries with over 50 million people projected to face severe acute food security by the end of this year. As you may know, in Kenya, drought was declared as a national disaster on September 8, 2021. Currently, 4.35 million people are experiencing severe acute food insecurity in 23 ASAL counties.